Hello, in this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to insert an image directly into your Gmail email body. Step 1, open your Gmail and start composing. Open your Gmail account and start a new email or open a draft you're working on. Step 2, insert an image into the body. Click on the photo icon at the bottom toolbar. It says Insert Photo when you hover over it. You can or choose photos if you already have images saved in Gmail. Select Upload to upload an image from your computer. Then click the Browse button to choose an image from your computer. Choose the image file JPEG, PNG, etc. and double-click to upload. Wait a few moments for the image to appear in the body of your email. Click anywhere outside the image to continue writing or send the email. Done. The image is now part of your message. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. I hope it helped. See you in the next video.